Well, most businesses, most IT organizations today are caught in this situation. They've got reduced or very small IT budgets. They're being asked to do a lot more than they ever have. They're asked to think about transformation. They're being asked to think about the cloud, all of these innovative technologies, yet they're asked to do it with much less money, much less resources. So we work with those organizations to help them think about and scrutinize some of the life cycle dates that OEMs put in place to delay CapEx spending and take those dollars and focus them on some of the more innovative projects. One of the most prevalent myths is that infrastructure needs to be refreshed every 3 to 5 years, and that's just simply not the case. Not all portions of the network or the infrastructure is created equal, and each asset needs to be analyzed and assessed whether it's still fit for purpose and is still useful for longer than the OEM might suggest, or whether it should be upgraded and is driving ROI and innovation into the organization. The smart IT organizations think about things like fit for purpose assets. So when they determine that a device can be used longer beyond the end of sale date or beyond a forced refresh by the OEM, there's dramatic savings that can happen in that event, both on delaying the CapEx spend and also dramatically reducing the OpEx spend. So by taking the OEM support and flipping it to a third-party maintainer, you can get 50 to 60% savings right out of the gate just on that maintenance. Yeah, I think there's two things that need to be analyzed when selecting a third-party maintainer. I think one, third-party maintenance is, in general terms, a fit for every organization. However, which organization you use to implement that third-party maintenance is really the question. And there's two lenses to look at it through. One, is that organization, have they earned the right or is experienced enough to give you the advice on when to refresh and when not to refresh? Do they really understand the business drivers behind that? And is there a long history of them providing that consultation? The other lens is, are they able to really deliver that service? And can they do it all the way from the advice all the way through the field engineering experience? Are they global? Do they have 100% sparing? Do they have a technical assistance center that's their people, their intelligence? Do they have central engineering to back up that technical support center? Those are the things that are really at the root of very strong due diligence on these organizations, because there's really only a couple third-party maintainers out there that can do it well on a global basis. The biggest challenge that IT organizations have, and I think this is a global challenge, is that they're being tasked with assessing hyperconvergence, cloud, all of these innovative new technologies, security, VDI, but how do you fund those? All of those technologies promise at the end, once you get there, that there's savings and agility, but what they don't talk about is how expensive it can be to actually get an IT organization and an IT infrastructure there.